this video is to show you how to help your child start to understand some letter sounds using the Squigz. So if you say the word cat out loud, and then you as the adult start to break the word down, k, at, and then start to take the physical model like something like Squigz and make the movement with them. So k, a, t, k, a, t, and the child will start to make that connection. If you want, you can even put the letters out together and do the same process. So k, a, t, spells cat or says cat, so they start to make this this connection. Same thing with you can do this with any words or simple words around the house. D, a, g. D, a, g spells dog.